Good morning, students. Welcome to your maths class. We have completed our exercise till 1.2. Today we shall begin with exercise 1.3. So, before we start, let us see what topics we have to cover in 1.3. It has place value, face value, expanded form and standard form or commonly known as short form. Yes, we have already done in 4-digit place numbers when we were doing it, and we have already done this place value, face value, expanded and standard form. So, let us revise once again and then come to the exercise. Now, what is face value and place value? The face value of a digit remains the same at any position, while its place value changes according to its position. Once again, the face value of a digit remains the same at any position, while its place value changes according to its position. In simple words, the face value is what? It is the digit itself. The number is at any position, the number is the same. While when we are talking about place value, you remember the place value chart? Yes, if the number changes its position, its value also changes. The value of number at hundreds place is different from a number if it is at thousands place or 10,000s place. The value changes. Yes. Let us solve one question. Now find the face value of 6 in this number. The number is 60,054. Yes. What is the face value in this number? What is the face value of 6? What is face value? The face value of a digit in a number is the digit itself. So, what is the answer? Answer is 6, the number itself. Okay, don't get confused with place value and say that this is 60,000. That is place value. We are talking about face value. One more. 5 in 4,85,342. Face value, the digit itself. Yes, remember this. So, what is the face value of 5 in this number? It is the number itself, that is 5. Next, come to place value. Now, write the place value of each digit of this number. This is a number and we have to find the value of each digit, not a particular one. So, as I always say, may you make use of the place value chart. Let us put the number in this and then read. 9 is at 1's place, 7 is at 10's place, 5 is at 100's place, 3 at 1000's place, 8 at 10,000's place, and 4, the new entry in the place value chart, the 6th place, that is the lakhs place. So, 4 is at the lakhs place. Now, what is the number? How we are going to read it? 4,83,579. Now, the question is asking us to find the value of each number. Yes? Let us find out. We know the value of 1 is what? Ones. So, what is the value of 9? 9 into 1 is 9. The value of 10s was 10s 10. So, 7 into 10 is 70. Value of 100 is 100. So, what is the value of 5 now? 5 into 100 is 500. The value of thousands place is 1000. So, now 3, what is the value of this number? 3 into 1000 is 3000. Next 8, 10,000's place. So, 8 into 10,000, 80,000. Value of 8 is what? 80,000. 4 at lakhs place. So 4 into lakh is 4 lakh. You can see the value of each digit now. 9, 7's value is 70, 5's value 5 is at hundreds place 100, 3 at thousands place 3000, 8 at 10,000's place 80,000 and 4 at lakhs place 4 lakh. Yes. Now next, write the place value of 3 in 87,352. Yes, you can see this. 2 at 1's place, 5 is at 10's place, 3 is at 100's place, 7 is at 1000's place, 1000's place, 8 is at 10,000's place. Now, what is the place value? Place value. This number 3 is at 100's place. So 3 into 100 is equal to 300. Yes, so this is the main difference between face value and place value. The place value, the value of the number changes according to its position. Yes, but in the face value the number is always the same. If I say what is the face value of this, answer is 7 only. But if I ask you the place value of this is at thousands place. So this becomes 7,000. Yes. Now exercise 1.3, you will complete this chart in your copy and tick the number in which this question is there. Multiple choice question A to F. This you will complete in your copy. This is an exercise for you for today. This is, I think we have done it in our previous videos. We are just continuing doing this. Just today we are going to do this in 6-digit numbers. Okay. So you have to find the place value and the face value. Okay. So this is the homework for you today. I will just send a picture of this page and you will complete it in your copy. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you.